OK 100 getting off with the sound of the city. Brother Tony Marquis at 9 o'clock, rocking on WOOK Washington. Everybody know, just living through a Monday night is the real mother for anybody, right? It's so boring. And then the kick in the rain, oh, that just adds to things, I know. But I tell you what I got for a remedy to your boredom. I have 60 minutes of music. That's right, I have a whole solid hour of music, and nobody in town can say that. It's yours from the people of OK 100.
Wanna buy a new car?
Surreal, for you. OK 100 Tony Marquis thanking Washington, D.C. for making us the sound of the city. This is OK 100. OK 100 Tony Marquis, yeah man, I went boogieing this weekend, and this time I must say I was a pretty lucky guy. I ended up with a pretty foxy brick house. I mean, she was too hot to stop. And being highly relatable, I felt it not necessary to change her mood, you understand? Even if I did have to evade her boyfriend, who surprisingly enough looked a lot like James Jack. On the airways, Marquis on OK 100.
Washington, D.C., we're ICA, Independence Corporation of America, and we just want to be your good thing record company.
Well, all right, OK 100. Tony Marquis, 6 foot and fly, your kind of guy. Gotta be a brick house for me, man. I ain't settling for nothing less. And I tell you what I got for you. 59 minutes of music without commercial interruption right here in stereo, right here because it's black, right here at OK 100. I used to know a friend of mine named Cisco, and I don't know about the same guy, man, but his head used to stay in the wind all the time, just like mine. Me and him used to relate together so well. Now they got a song by him out. It's called Cisco Kid. The group is WAR. The radio station is OK 100. Now you dig it. Cisco Kid. OK 100 with the highly relatable Tony Marquis giving up some funk by the Isley Boys. Voyage to Atlanta's Slide. Yeah, gonna be doing the slave and slide thing shortly. Got some Hollywood and Rufus. And it's all here because it's black and in stereo on OK 100. I don't love you anymore. Oh, yeah. OK 100, highly relatable Tony Marquis, man. When I got out of high school, I was touring with the Average White Band. That took us around to Memphis, Tennessee. We were stacking around. I met a group called the Marquis, and I think they're swell. Spellbound. You want my love. Being highly relatable, when you need somebody to talk to, I want to listen. When you need someone to listen to you, I want to talk to you. When you need the presence of masculinity, I want to be around you. When you need the feel of physical strength, I can more than fill that void. When you need a record on the radio, that's what I get paid for. 291-7045. 291-7045. Call me. Can I go on?